Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the meta-analysis review. A meta-analysis review builds on the systematic review and it tries to combine the statistical data along with the systematic review findings. So it is more strong, it is evidence-based and it has a higher power over the systematic review. It involves quantitative description, quantitative statistical synthesis. Basically, we are trying to synthesize the systematic review with the quantitative data, and the limitation is it needs homogeneous studies for comparison. So basically, if we have a question like what is the effect of physical exercise on adults for reducing the depression, in that case whatever findings we have got from the systematic review, we will build on them, get the statistical data, various statistical techniques which we will combine to get the results, and then compare the various studies on the basis of the confidence interval, bias assessment, effect sizes and the heterogeneity of the studies. So if we compare this method with the previous two methods that we have studied, in the narrative review we have storytelling overview. In the systematic review we have the evidence map with clear rules, whereas in a meta-analysis we have systematic review plus the statistics for the overall effect, or the quantitative data is combined with the systematic review. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you very much.